Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain determinants problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Let A is equal to 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1 if Q1 and U2 are column matrices such that AU1 is equal to 1 0 0 and AU2 is equal to 0 1 0, then we have to find U1 plus U2. Okay. So what is our target? U1 plus U2 value, where U1, U2 are column matrices. So let us take U1 is equal to A, B, C, and U2 is equal to D, E, F. Okay. So what is given? A, U1 given. A, U1 is equal to 1 0 0 given, where A is 3 by 3 matrix, 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1 into U1 is ABC column matrix is equal to 1 0 0. So it will going to be, so first we should multiply first row, first column. A into 0, A into 1, A is equal to 1. A into 1 plus 0 into B plus 0 into C equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Next, first row multiply with first row, multiply with first column over. So second row multiply with first column. It will going to be 2A plus B plus 0 into C 0 equal to 0. But A value we have got 1. So 2 into 1 plus B is equal to 0. B value we have got minus 2. Okay, next our target is C. So where third row multiply with first column, it will going to be 3A plus 2B plus C is equal to 0. 3 into A value 1. 2 into B value minus 2 plus C is equal to 0. This is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. C is equal to 1. Therefore, U1, we have got ABC. ABC values, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, and C value we have got 1. 1 minus 2, 1. Similarly, we have to find U2. Okay, what is the second equation given? This is the second equation. A U2 is equal to 0, 1, 0. So what is A? 3 by 3 matrix is given 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1 into U2, DEF column matrix. DEF is equal to 0, 1, 0. So it will going to be first row multiply with the first column. So D plus 0 into E, 0 into F. D is equal to 0. First row, first column element is 0. We have got D value 0. And first second row multiply with first column. It will going to be 2D plus E is equal to 1. So D value right is 0. E is equal to 1. Third row multiply with first column. It will going to be 3D plus 2E plus F is equal to 0. Okay. So where D value is 0, 2 into 0, E value we have got 1. So F is equal to -2. Therefore, U2 is equal to, so column matrix DEF, it will be equal to DEF. D value 0, E value 1, F value -2. But what is our target? U1 plus U2. So U1 plus U2 our target. Therefore, U1 plus U2 is equal to, so first column matrix we have got 1 minus 2 1, and second column matrix 0 1 minus 2. Now I say that sum of these two matrices is 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what is the answer? 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is answer. Okay, this is very important model. So now I am going to explain question number 2. If A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4 1, then we have to find adjoint of 3A square plus 12A. Okay, first our target is 3A square plus 12A. First we have to find 3A square plus 12 into A. So first, what is A square? A square is equal to A into A. So what is A given? 2 minus 3 minus 4 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 4 1. It will going to be, so first row multiply with first column 4. 4 plus 12 16. First row second column minus 6 minus 9 3 minus 9. Second row first column minus 12. Second row second column it will be 13. Okay, so now, so 3 times of A square 16 minus 9 minus 12 13 plus 12 times of A. What is A? 2 minus 3 minus 4 1. It will going to be 3 multiplying every element of this matrix. 48 minus 27 minus 36 52 39 39 plus 12 multiplying every element of this matrix. 12 to the 24 minus 36 minus 48 plus 12. So it will going to be 72 minus 27 minus 36. So it will going to be 63 minus 63 minus 36 minus 48 minus 84. 39 plus 12 51. So this is only for 3A square plus 12A. But our target is adjoint of this matrix. So our target adjoint of 3A square plus 12A is equal to, what is the adjoint A formula? If A is equal to ABCD, if A is equal to ABCD, then adjoint of A is equal to D minus B minus CA. First, we should interchange principal diagonal elements 70 to 51. Okay, so we should interchange principal diagonal elements. Other diagonals multiply with -1. This is called adjoint of given matrix. 51, 63, 84, 72. This is required. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. If A is equal to 2141, B is equal to 3423, C is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2 3, then we have to find a trace of A plus trace of A, B, C by 2 plus trace of A into B, C whole square by 4 and so on up to infinity. Okay. First, we have to find BC. So BC whole square is given. So BC is equal to what is B? 3, 4, 2, 3 into C 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. It will going to be. So first row multiply with first column 9 minus 8, 1. First row, second column 0. Second row, first column 1, 0. This is 1. So this is nothing but unit matrix I. Therefore, our target is the trace of A plus trace of A into BC value, right? AI by 2 plus trace of AI square by 2, I square by 4 plus and so on up to infinity. So this is equal to trace of A. So trace of constant into matrix is equal to K times of K trace of A. It will be 1 by 2 constant, 1 by 2 times of trace of A into I. So A into I is equal to A. So 1 by 4 times of trace of A into I square is A. So and so on infinity. In this one trace of A take out common. It will going to be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on infinity. This is infinite GP. S infinity is equal to what is the formula? A by 1 minus R, where R modulus of R less than 1. So trace of A. What is given matrix? A matrix is given. So trace of A is equal to sum of principal diagonal elements. So 2 plus 1, that is trace of A. What is the formula? A by 1 minus R. In this common ratio is 1 by 2. So A value 1 by 1 minus R. R value 1 by 2. So 3 times of it will going to be 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. Answer is 6. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.